Yo, welcome back on Logic on Steroids. Yo, please hit subscribe on this channel right here. We got them crazy videos over here. This one right here, you know what I mean? They came to take a baby, you know what I'm saying? And she ain't having it. You feel me? If you don't like my commentaries on these videos, yo, hit the top right corner right here. You know what I'm saying? And then check the hell up after that. And then, yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, we're going to get right into the video right now. Let's go.
Are you ready?
Get off of me! Get the Give me my fucking son!
On March 2nd, 2025,
There's always
police
a March.
responded to a residence after a court-ordered child removal when a woman slapped an officer in the face.
She sounds crazy already.
Hey, I'm not too far from downtown. I'm gonna head over there as well.
You here, baby.
What's your okay? What's she at?
Actor police!
Arlington.
Is her door made of metal? Sound like it's metal.
Thanks.
22, 21 to 27.
AMHA! Let's put up the crazy clock!
How you doing?
I'm fine, what?
We're with
She said, what? There, this is.
Metropolitan Housing.
For what? Don't step in my apartment.
Well, we have an order to grab the baby. So.
Get the off me! No!
Are you ready?
No, get off of me! Get the No, get off of me! Get the
Stop.
Get off my child! Don't touch my child!
Stop.
She worried about the couch.
Just say the word. Is anyone else want to help?
Yo, I keep telling you, man, I don't know what's going on. It's a pandemic or something. They're going back shit crazy. It's a lot of my sisters going back shit crazy right now, man. Like, it ain't no joke.
Listen, this can all be over with after you take care of what you got to take care of.
What is that?
They're going to talk to you about
For
it.
what?
You can get your baby back.
For what?
all right? Just let them deal with what's going on. You're going to get more charges if you keep it.
I don't even have fucking charges.
And they're always angry. Damn.
So I suggest that you just calm down. Soon as I forget, over the street. Everything
Come on.
like that. Don't come on, fucking my child. You have.
So what is the reason?
So you're going to be.
Okay, she asked for the reason. Let's see if she's gonna actually listen to the reason. Because when they ask for the reason on these videos, they don't ever like to listen to the damn reason.
If you don't stop.
So what is the reason?
Welcome to Pretty Girl Cam.
That's a fine ass officer right there. Damn. Got the wrong
Bring me my
job.
son. Can y'all bring me my son? Cause ain't no way AMHA quad for y'all to come here and do this.
AMHA most commonly refers to a metropolitan housing authority, such as the Akron or Athens Metropolitan Housing Authorities, which often have programs like early childhood initiatives or services related to families and children's well-being and housing stability.
Lady, it's obvious that they did it. I don't even know you, and I can see that why they did it.
Trauma, yeah.
Most likely the same high jaw.
Yo, let me say something. How are they able and allowed to have kids being in a mental illness state? Like, how can you have kids and keep your kids if you are battling mental illness or have been Baker acted? How is that possible? Why is it possible? That don't make no sense.
Bring me my son.
I mean,
About what?
Whatever's going on.
There's nothing going on that. That's okay. That's okay.
we cannot deprive them of them being intimate with who they want to be intimate with because they're an adult. You know what I mean? But like, I don't know, man. This is weird. Some of them are incompetent of even having that right. Or privilege.
Give me my fucking son.
Here, get him. We're gonna come. Yeah.
And when you say
Stop fucking touching me. You already know I ain't got shit on me. Stop fucking
Spread your
touching
feet.
me.
Spread your feet.
Get the. You still ain't got shit on me.
Right.
Really?
She's gonna come talk to you.
She better give me my fucking child.
We're going to work on it, right?
she keeps saying fucking child. She's the first person to ever be quiet in the back seat. She's thinking about everything. When they was knocking on her door, she was laughing and stuff.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
She was arrested and transported to jail, charged with assault on a law enforcement officer. Did she really think attacking police would change the outcome? All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.
Now, I don't know if she would have had a better chance hitting a male cop. You know what I mean? Yeah, she hit the wrong one, damn it. And she should have controlled her emotions a little more. You don't hit no police officer and then think you're going to be free out here. I think that's the reason why she was quiet the whole time for that ride. Yeah, because she know all that yelling, screaming, all that taking out these cuffs, and all that shit, it ain't gonna change. So she just gave up right there. Yeah, so I give her credit for that much. But watch these other suspects go to jail. They be crying, complaining about the handcuffs and all that stuff. Man, shut the hell up. How you gonna get out of there? You going to jail. That's it. Yo, go ahead. Watch this video right here on this channel right here without my commentary or graphics, whatever. And check out more videos they have on that channel, all right? Make sure you subscribe to my channel as well, Logic on Steroids. Hit like on this video, share the video. I got more coming to you. Peace.